I need to get a haircut. So, I am out on the West Coast, just kind of exploring, kind of adventuring. I had a free day today, and so I decided I need to go somewhere new. And so actually I'm heading to Lake Quinault right now, and I saw a sign that said big cedar tree. And so, I don't know, I wanted to see a big cedar tree. I passed a couple really big ones on the road, and I just want to check this one out as my first stop on this one-day adventure. So, thanks for joining me. Stopping again to see another big tree, but I made it. I'm here at Lake Quinault. I didn't know there was like a little town area right beside the lake. There's like really big and really nice resorts that look way too expensive for me to stay at, but they look real nice. But yeah, this lake is beautiful. It's real nice. I got a nice shot with my drone approaching in, which I did legally, by the way. There's a little part at the beginning of the lake when you're approaching the lake where it is not on the Olympic National Park, so it was legal for me to fly there. And I drove a little bit, and then in a minute I entered the park. So yeah, all these rules and stuff you gotta pay attention to when you're flying a drone. So, I'm not sure of the statistic of how many of my videos have waterfalls in them versus how many that don't have waterfalls in them, but it's maybe like 1 in 4, maybe, I don't know. But this one's gonna have a waterfall in it, because that's what I'm into right now, is seeing waterfalls, and this video is probably gonna have a good one.